Monee. Hey y'all, my channel, keeping up with me. I'm Monee, and today I'm gonna do a prank on my sister. I want to do the "you scratched my car" prank. I already had a scratch on my car, but I'm gonna go blame her. And since I'm just pulling up to my house, I'm gonna get it real quick. So sorry for the rush. I'm gonna show y'all the scratches. So your mother tell her that she did this, and yeah. So.
Do you vanity turn on? No, it's booking. You got something to tell me? Me? No. What? You took my car. I gave my car right to go to a kill house. They lock the key, lock the door, and they go to Giant, right? Yeah. So, what's the scratch on my car? What? You said what? What's the scratch on? It's a scratch on the passenger side, on the driver's side, back seat. I'm not. Like it's in my car seat. You ain't taking no picture of it? No, I ain't taking pictures. It's on my car. I just parked my car. Then you just did it. I don't know what you're talking about, man. I would know if I hit something. I would know if my car is like hit another car or hit anything. It's a scratch. Okay. I don't know if somebody walked by and did it. I don't know. You maybe when you took the car seat, out of the car seat out of the car, maybe that happened, but. It's a scratch on my car and it's long, and I mean, not even drive my car. You think you're gonna be responsible, but you're not able to let me know something happened. And I'm supposed to trust you with my car if you're gonna be driving it and getting shit on my car. Girl, to be honest, I don't know what you're talking about. You come at me all sideways and shit. I ain't come at you sideways. You did. The way you came at me all energy, like how I'm supposed to come at you? Hey sis, it's a scratch on my car. Here's just a picture. Can you come out look at it? Picture shit. How am I supposed to come at you if there's a scratch on my car? I know I didn't do it, and that's a brand new car. And I never put no bruises on it. And never get scratched up when I drive, and I had it for almost a year. Girl, I'm Monee, to be honest, I ain't gonna expect you, but I don't like how you coming at me saying. Girl, buy money. I gave you my car to use. I gave you my car to use. You want some money? Yeah, nigga, you gotta get my car fixed. You're not getting shit. You have to get my car fixed. But in the day, you're not. What? What you mean? What? You have to get my car fixed. I have insurance, but they're gonna charge me a $500 deductible because you can come back with a picture, some proof, but you're not about to sit here. This girl, the car is fucking outside. The car is outside. Outside the window. Outside the window. Go, you look at my window. You look out the window. You probably can see it, or you can't see from right here because it's on the driver's side. Exactly. Exactly what? Bro, I feel like so you fix my car now. Bro, you fix my car now. Don't come at me like that, bro. What's up? Like, don't come at me like that. Monee, don't do that, bro. I'm not trying to be with you. Me and my sister. What's the problem? There's a scratch on my car, Monique. Okay. For real? I'm laughing at you, my sister, but like, for real? But you gonna prank? You gonna fix my car? Bro, I ain't gonna prank. I ain't gonna prank. The camera right here. Bitch. I know how you do that. Bro. I pranked her. I said, bitch. I didn't know how to freaking address you. I didn't know you about to really put your hands on me. She said she was not going to pay to fix the scratch on my car. You was not going to pay for something? Y'all, if somebody coming at you like that, sister or not, mother or not. Did I come at her wrong? I need some proof for one. For two, the car outside. Presentation is everything, baby. Now, she didn't scratch my car up. Presentation. She did, but she didn't do it this time. Oh, she didn't do it, though. She didn't scratch my car up. But now if I get in my car, she scratched it up. That's how she gonna ask. I definitely scratched her car before and I throw her some money and now I'm working against it. I'm about to throw you 500. Hey, 500 is that enough? 500 is that. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. I'm gonna do some more pranks on her. Y'all drop down below some pranks I should do with my sister. I got you back. She be ready to fight me. I'm her sister. She be ready to fight me. But you swung on me first. Okay, I'm out here doing my eyebrows and shit. No, I didn't.